I can't do this anymore. I've tried everything. Counting sheep, calming teas, even meditation apps. But every night, it's just me, staring at the ceiling, waiting for sleep that never comes. I can't remember the last time I had a full night's sleep. Every night feels like a battle I keep losing. And every time I try, it feels like the bed just rejects me, like sleep is this unreachable thing. I don't know what else to do. Doctor, I'm at the end of my rope.
Hey, don't worry. You're not alone in this. You know, sometimes all you need is a warm glass of optimism. Works wonders. But if that doesn't help, I've got 10 great tips up my sleeve to help you sleep better. So let's dive right in and explore some of these strategies together. First, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Your body needs a bit of routine, just like a cat needs its sunbathing time.
But I want to sleep in on weekends.
Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Otherwise, Monday mornings will feel like you've been hit by a train. Your body will thank you for the routine, and soon you'll find it easier to drift off. Just give it some time, and you'll find yourself falling asleep with ease. Just like a little bird waking you up in the morning, or an alarm clock. Stick with it, and your routine will become your sleep buddy. Trust me, it's way better than staying up late on weekends. Next, avoid caffeine and stimulants. Those sneaky things are like throwing a party for your brain at night.
But how can I say no to my coffee?
Too much caffeine will keep you buzzing until the wee hours. Try herbal tea instead. Of course, the no sugar kind. Make your diet healthier. It can help you sleep better at night. Think of all those delicious salads leading you into dreamland. This may be tough, but it's worth it for a good night's sleep. Remember, future you will thank nighttime you. Without late night snacks, your sleep will be much more peaceful. So put down that naughty fast food and join me in health. Next up, limit screen time. Let those screens take a break, just like you need one. Screens will trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. What little devils they are. Turn them off and give your brain a break. Try reading a book instead. It's a great alternative, plus it boosts your imagination. Who knows? You might find the characters in books way more interesting than on screen. Take it slow. You'll find that a world without screens can be pretty wonderful, and you won't be held hostage by the next episode. Try it out, and may you meet some magical things in your dreams. Just make sure they're not all about your social media feed. Next, let's talk about exercise. It may sound tedious, but trust me, your body will thank you. Even a little exercise can release endorphins, making you feel happier. Think of it as your body's natural way of saying, hey, let's have some fun. Even a brisk walk can do wonders. It's like a mini vacation for your brain. Try activities like yoga or stretching. They can help you unwind and get rid of stress. So, lace up those shoes and let's get moving. Your sleep will thank you with a big hug later. Now, let's build that support system. Friends and family can be like cozy blankets on a cold night. Reach out. A good laugh or a chat can lighten your heart like a good slice of pizza. Well, without the calories, of course. Sometimes, just sharing your worries can help release the stress. You'd be surprised. And let's not forget about group activities. Whether it's a game night or movie marathon, just make sure it's a comedy. Laughter is the best medicine. So build your circle. Remember, a positive support system can make a world of difference. Next up, limit those naps. I know. Napping sounds delightful. If you must nap, keep it short, like 20 minutes. Think of it as a power boost, not a full-on hibernation like a bear. Longer naps can lead to grogginess and even more confusion, not the kind you want right before dinner. Instead of napping, try light stretching or a walk. It keeps you alert. So keep those naps short, and you'll be well on your way to better sleep at night. Next up, let's talk about recording your dreams or worries. It's like giving your mind a little spa day. Journaling helps clear your mind. It's like a brain dump, minus the mess. Reading back can give you insight. You might find your worries are less scary when you see them on paper. Plus, you can always laugh at your own dramatic flair. And when it comes to dreams, let your imagination run wild. Who knows what adventures await? So, start journaling. It's a great way to release stress and make sense of your thoughts. Your dreams might even inspire a bestseller. Let's take a look at your sleep environment. Is it a cozy haven or chaotic disaster?
More like a chaotic disaster.
Decluttering your space can work wonders. A clean room is like a clean mind. Also make the room dark. Your body loves a dark environment to snooze. It's like being in a warm cocoon. So, create that cozy sleep environment. Your bed should be your favorite escape. Time to let those sweet dreams take over. Next, let's swap those screens for some relaxation. Pre-sleep activities are key. How about reading? A good book can whisk you away to another world. Just avoid the horror genre right before bed. Or you can try meditation. It's like giving your brain a gentle massage. Breathe in and out, and forget about the laundry. Stretching before bed helps release tension. It's like hitting the reset button, and it prepares your body for a good night's sleep. So, swap the screens for some relaxation. Your body will thank you for it. Feeling tense? Let's dive into some deep breathing techniques to calm those nerves. Deep breathing is like giving your body a mini vacation. Let's try it together. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Think of it as blowing out birthday candles, slowly and with intention. While you breathe, visualize a calming place. Picture the waves gently lapping at the shore, or a meadow full of fluffy bunnies, whatever makes you smile. So, remember, deep breathing and visualization can be your best buddies for relaxation.
Thank you, doctor. I really appreciate all of your advice. I'll definitely give these methods a try and see if I can finally get some proper rest.
You're very welcome. I'm confident you'll be dreaming sweet dreams in no time. And remember, it's all about small steps. Each night can be a little better than the last. To everyone watching, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Sweet dreams, everyone.